Welcome back, people. Good morning. Just to give you a little update, we got hit by Hurricane Ida, and we took the motorhome and we evacuated. And throughout that whole time we was evacuated, we didn't take any footage because we all came down with COVID. But we recovered, and we evacuated to a little place in Toledo Bend, southwest Texas. It was an amazing place. Hopefully, we'll try to go back there. We met some amazing people and became friends with them. Our home, we lost our garage door. I had one of my cars got totaled from the storm. The swimming pool got messed up, and we need a new roof. We're gonna be replacing floors. We got sheetrock damage. I need a new fence. I put my old fence back up, temporary, but it all fell down, so that's all broken. But we fared a lot better than some of the people from the community we from. They lost everything from homes, jobs. You know, it's devastating. So, and you know, I didn't want to cover some of that stuff, so I really didn't go film all that damage and stuff. But anyway, I got some amazing stuff coming up. I got Grand Isle State Park. I got a review of that before it was damaged from the storm, and a couple other places we visit. So again, thanks for watching and enjoy. Hey, so we riding downtown with my good friend Freddie Ebert and his wife Celeste. We're in a 1961 Cadillac convertible, and we came downtown. They're filming a movie, and come look at all these old cars that I just showed you. But anyway, we're having a blast. The weather's a little iffy. It looks like it might want to rain,
it's
but
not for sale right now.
I think we're doing okay. All right, check it out. A show called Where the Crawdads Sing, and they converted all of downtown Houma, like all the buildings. So we're gonna be passing. I'm gonna show you what it looks like.
We're gonna go walk. We're gonna take a walk and go.
They painted the buildings though.
onto LA44.
We're headed to Baton Rouge to Top Golf. We're going to meet up with some friends. It's one of their birthdays, and we're going to experience Top Golf, which is, I guess, this big arena that you can go in. Yeah, it's like an arena, I would imagine. It's a big place that you can go and hit golf balls. Blech.
Golf. Why your vehicle stops?
It stops when you stop at a stop sign.
Weird.
Yeah, it is weird. It's got that eco boost on.
Weird.
But anyway, we're going to Top Golf today. We're going to meet up with some friends. It's one
Is
of
it catching me?
their birthdays. Yes, it is.
Oh.
And we're gonna go through Thibodeau right now, and we'll catch some coffee. So yeah, that's what's up. Well, we made it here. I have to see what this place is all about. You excited, baby?
Yeah, new things. Ooh, it's gonna be so hot. Mercy. I only do this for my friends. But you know what? It's been a long time since I tried something new. You know.
We're gonna have
I'm
fun.
a little nasally. I tested negative, don't worry.
Oh, God.
At Isabella's school, you'd be walking around and like the kids will bump into you. If somebody bumps into you, like a kid, they're like, I don't have COVID. This is the life now. Like, this is what we live in. Mask up! Record. Try something new today. Top Golf. Definitely, if you live in Louisiana or any southern state, do it whenever it's winter, because it was hot. Although my makeup stayed nice. I'm serious. Like, look, I already messed myself up. Like, I'm a little competitive, but anyway, it was fun.
Where we headed?
It's not something I'm gonna go out my way to do again, but I'll do it for whatever friend's birthday, and I will also bring my daughter and a bunch of friends. That would probably be really fun for them.
I came to come in the motorhome, and I got this. So it sounds like something stripped.